For years, I've been using Lenovo X1. This is the 6th gen Carbon laptop. I used it almost in every possible scenario out there. Outdoors, indoors, on the train, on the airplane, you name it. It's been an amazing laptop. I really enjoyed it. However, about 2 years ago or so, I purchased a Mac Mini to get to know the Mac ecosystem. I was already an Apple iPhone user, so I figured, with the power of new Mac Mini M2, why not give it a shot? So I really liked it. I liked the way it operated. I liked how powerful it was. It wasn't a Pro or anything. It was just a simple Mac Mini M2. To make the long story short, my wonderful X1 Carbon 6th gen finally took the dive. My screen started to go black. I have to connect to a monitor to get the screen back on, and within a day or two I'll have the black screen again. Now it's pretty much permanently gone. Sorry for all the fingerprints. You can tell this is a workhorse. So with the Christmas, Thanksgiving and all that good stuff, all the prices are fairly low here in US. I decided to pull the trigger on a new MacBook Air 15. Shout out to Best Buy. I got a really good deal on it. I just wanted to give it a shot and take a full dive into the Mac ecosystem. Today, I just wanted to do an unboxing, like a rough comparison to my old Lenovo X1 size-wise and all that. This Lenovo comes with a 14-inch screen. It's very readable. The best part is it's a touch screen, so you can almost operate it like a tablet. This is a MacBook Air 15, 16 gig unified memory, 256 gig SSD. Most of my work is on the external SSD drives, so I really don't need anything more than this. Also, this one is the one coming with the M3 chip. It's the 2024 model. Let's go ahead and open this to see what's in this MacBook Air 15. And there are millions of videos out there like this, but I figured why not have another one. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Let's go ahead and get it out. I picked 15 over 13. Number one, a screen real estate. Number two, my eyes are not getting any younger. So let's dive into laptop later. Let's see what comes in the box. I bought the midnight color, and here comes a little envelope. I see this is like the typical Apple presentation. Comes with all the goodies like stickers and stuff. I think something special about this, stickers are same color as the actual laptop itself. Anyway, and here's the power brick. It's supposed to come with a 35 watt dual Type-C power brick. Let's see what kind it is. Pull this out. Looks like a 35 watt, yeah. This also comes with the 70 watt power brick. Mine came with the 35. I think when you get it higher spec, they put a bigger power brick. Another cool thing about this here on these, this little MagSafe charging cord matches the color of the laptop. So let's go ahead and put these away and dive into the laptop itself. Here she is. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this. And this year, additionally, these MacBook Air should be more fingerprint resistant. And I guess time will tell. I didn't have the previous version, so there's no way for me to compare it. But there are some little stains on it already from my fingers. But anyways, looks like a nice laptop. I'm gonna go ahead and put the box and do a quick comparison. This is MacBook Air 15, and this is the Lenovo X1. It's fairly slimmer than the Lenovo. Also deeper. Lenovo is shorter in the width department. More like the older MacBooks, I think. It has that wedge styling on. The X1 Carbon. I like this color. It's almost like a black color, but it has a blue hue. And here's that noise that Mac does when you open it. There's a protective sheet for the keyboard. Wow, very nice. Well, It has a large touchpad comparing to 13-inch because I seen it in store in person. 13-inch is a lot smaller than this touchpad. It has these sides, has 6 speakers on it, and screen is beautiful. They got this iPhone style screen thing going here, so it's not a full screen, like camera array and all that stuff is in there, so that's kind of interesting, but I can live with that. This is a little bit of a risky move for me, you guys, because this is going to be pretty much my primary computer, comparing to Lenovo X1, which I used it day in and day out. So I'm slightly fearful because I'm getting to know Apple ecosystem. You know, so far I only use this for video editing and, you know, trying to get to know the system. I know the Windows. I've been using Windows since Windows 3.1. Pretty much all of the generations of Windows. I'm very familiar with DOS and everything. To me, Apple ecosystem as well as Linux is kind of like an unknown territory. So I'll give you guys updates as I go, and I also like to share with you down the road when I buy some accessories for this. I want to make a little accessory video for this, so stay tuned to the channel to keep an eye on my upgrades on my MacBook. Thanks for watching. If you're interested, I'm going to go ahead and put some links in the description of this video for this MacBook, and so you can pick one up. You will not pay anything extra. You'll be just supporting my channel. If not, that's okay. Please like and subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next Teo's Take video. Have an awesome day.